Hello there, fellow explorers. I'm Wisdom Bear, your friendly tech guide straight from the heart of the jungle. You see, life in the jungle isn't just about gathering honey and napping. It's about being smart, connected, and always prepared. Just like in the world of cloud computing and AWS. I'm here to take all those must-know computer science concepts, like data storage, machine learning, and even cybersecurity, and explain them jungle style. Imagine servers as trees, data as honey, and syncing files as worker bees, buzzing in harmony. With my stories, you'll learn how these powerful technologies shape our digital lives, one byte at a time. And who knows, maybe you'll even impress your tech-savvy friends with some wild analogies. So, whether you're a curious cub or a seasoned explorer, grab some honey and join me on this adventure into the world of tech. Let's make learning sweet and fun. See you in the cave, our jungle tech hub.